Let's find D for a diamond. Hello friends! Today, we are on a hunt for things that start with the letter D. Let's go see what we find. We have this map that will help us find the treasure. Let's follow it. Look, the X is right over there. This is it. The treasure should be right here. I think I found something. Oh no, it's empty. They tricked us with a fake mark. We need to check the map again. Wait, I got it. The X is near the green bump. That's where the treasure is. Let's go. I think I found something.
What is it? What did you find?
Wait, let me clear this dirt. Oh look, it's shiny. It's a diamond. D for diamond. We found it, friends. Can you believe it?
Yes, friends, we did it. We found the D for diamond. And it's so shiny and beautiful.
Friends, let's learn how to draw the letter D. It's super easy and fun. Ready? Let's draw it together. Pull down. Go back to the top and draw around. Congratulations! We've learned how to draw D. Now let's go.
Now we learned D, let's learn E in next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.